Sleeping apart is silently killing your emotional connection. Sleeping separately as a couple slowly teaches the body emotional independence. At first, it seems harmless. One night on the couch, different sleep schedules, tomorrow we'll sleep together. But the body doesn't listen to explanations. It responds to patterns. When couples stop sharing the same bed, the nervous system quietly adapts. It stops expecting the warmth of shared breathing, the accidental touches in the middle of the night, the quiet presence beside you. And that's how emotional independence begins without anyone noticing. During sleep, the body is at its most vulnerable. That's why signals of safety matter. A shared bed is not just about closeness. It regulates the body. Heart rate slow. Breathing becomes calmer. And the body learns, I'm not alone. When that disappears, the system adapts by closing in on itself. Stress hormones rise slightly. You may start feeling more comfortable sleeping alone. But that comfort isn't always healthy.